Welcome back. So guys, we're gonna keep this video very short because I already did this video and I was way longer and ran out of anywho, let's just do the video, guys. So what we want to talk about, guys, what I want to talk about is the fact that it absolutely matters about the selling. What do I mean by this? Let's take one coin, for one, that you guys were talking about on the channel. Secondly, a coin that basically I missed out on, guys. I'm just going to be honest with you. I missed out on it. It was Kaspa. All right, we're not talking about the dubstep DJ from 10 years ago. Okay, we're talking about the coin. All right, so we look at these coins, right? You know where I'm going with this. You guys already know. So, all right. So Kaspa was a coin that was a decentralized coin. It's not like half these garbage tokens out there. It's a real coin that required it costs money for these people to start mining this coin, right? You can't just snap your finger and become a Kaspa miner, okay? It takes a couple dollars, couple coins, couple initial startup cash to get your mining operation going. We had a coin, it did very well in terms of people adopting the application of mining, the money going towards different listings on various exchanges. Does this ring a bell to anybody on the channel about maybe how this could apply to what we're talking about? So had people buying this equipment, getting involved in Kaspa mining. It was an underground community. Things were happening, things were taking place. And guys, if you don't believe me, go and look at the Bitcoin chart against Kaspa, or the Kaspa against the Bitcoin chart instead of dollars. It looks amazing on dollars. I'm just saying, give it another glance and maybe see what's going on here. So in these periods, and this was actually during the time that, to be fair, guys, crypto wasn't doing too good. 2022, 2023 even, they weren't the best years broadly for the crypto community, but for Kaspa, this, I got my eyes on this event. If this is, there's opportunity to do this in the future, because you guys were talking about it. I finally looked into Kaspa after it had already gone up. And when we started looking into it, it was kind of like I missed the initial jump, and it went up more. So obviously those are the type of positions you want to be in crypto. In my opinion, those are the best ones. And I think we are in some of those on the channel, not so much with the BTC price as of yet. But the days keep going and the nights keep coming. So don't be too sure when you look on your computer screen or your phone and you're seeing that, holy shit, we're actually doing pretty good against BTC now. So where I'm going with this, let's not ramble too much. Where I'm going with this is it took a lot of people to get paid for this whole thing to happen, right? It didn't just happen out of thin air with some dude holding a phone in fucking La La Land, right? Is there LA they call it? It really happened, guys, with people buying the mining equipment, the listings on the crypto exchanges, the mining equipment becoming, these people sold their coins, right? A lot of them, I would say that a lot of them sold their coins. And see, that's, guys, what I'm trying to tell you. Is it's not just so much about people buying coins. It's buying coins that people are willing to sell, which goes back to more applications we could use on how different derivative products are tied to specific coin pair trading rates and or house tokens or a billion different other ways. And that's what I'm saying, guys, is it's not just so easy to sit here and try to guess that there's just this easy buy and sell process which drives the price. That's basic economics. That's not cryptonomic or crypto economics. All right, they're different. So I think we can look at Kaspa, guys, and see that maybe I'm onto something. Maybe if I'm not, maybe if I'm way out of the ballpark, maybe that's one thing. Maybe I'm onto some parts. But I would say that if you look at the BTC price against Kaspa and you look at other coins, you might start to see what's going on in terms of like, okay, I can start to see where this is maybe going down to a fine point on the downside. Guys, we're pretty spot on. Look at what we're talking about. Look at the coins that are moving. Look how BTC is trending up while they're moving. Look at a variety of different factors, and you're going to have to study them. You're going to have to look at these prices basically all the time if you want to, get to where we're at here. Because I think once we see the explosion, the explosion is going to be big, guys. It's going to be like I've talked to you guys before on some of these coins that when we looked at some of the graphs, it was not it was not that they were behaving a certain way in a certain state, but it was that the states change literally over the course of a week to 5 years. You know, and we've seen that with a ton of different coins. And I mean, like I said, Kaspa, Zcash, those are two applications. We could find a dozen more. You know, we could find a dozen more. So hang in there, guys. I think it's about to happen. You know, no guarantees. It might not ever happen, but I think if it does happen, it'll literally be just a couple weeks, and everything that you've been watching on this channel will be validated. And you know, again, I'm not searching for vindication. I'm just trying to give you guys the best approach to this. If I was coming into crypto, that I would want some dude on the internet telling me. All right, take care.